Alright, the crazy Tasmanian devil hide attack is right here. She's right here.
There you go.
And this is the most craziest Tasmanian devil ever. God dang it. Most craziest Tasmanian devil ever. And I mean it. Now, as we see, we're going to use a soccer ball as prey. So she can...
Show them the soccer ball. This is a soccer ball we use for Tasmanian devils like this.
Wait, Luckily.
Get the ball, get the ball.
Dad, you're prey. As you see, she's trying to get the prey.
I don't want to be back.
As you see. This is going to be a sublime stuff. Don't attack her, daughter. As you see, she's trying to eat my flesh. And this is the worst Tasmanian dog ever. As you see, my partner is the bait.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. The bait.
Well, my leg is sore.
Alright, we did a break. She's trying to get us both. But my partner had to run for his life.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! And she chases the prey. And he tore her hair. As you see, she's trying to get Zachary's leg because it's got bones inside. And as you see, she's looking at me for no reason. And she didn't run. This is the closer look up to a Tasmanian devil. Oh, dog! Thanks. It is really ridiculous. She's trying to eat our flesh. And you're the bait. I know you tore her. As we get close to her, she's gonna pop out and eat our flesh. Say hi, Mocha. Hi! I'm gonna eat your flesh! As you see, she's also a vegetarian. I mean a herbivore. And as Zachary gets closer, even closer, she's still gonna use the bathroom on her territory. And Zachary is stepping on it right now. I was joking, I was bluffing. As Zachary gets closer, is my partner, right here. Zachary's the cool one. It's also a snitch. I'm telling the truth. And I'm the cool one except, yeah. Alright. How's that? Go closer. As Zachary gets closer to the Tasmanian devil dog, she is getting ready for a prepared attack. As Zachary gets closer and even more closer, he had to get closer and closer and Zach, get closer. He had to get even more closer for the Tasmanian dog to attack. Zach, get more closer. Tasmanian devil. Zach, pet her on the head. Yeah. As you see, he's trying. As you see, she's trying to attack me first, but Zach is the closest one. Plus, she's a herbivore and a vegetarian. Drop you! And as you see, she's trying to attack me because I'm the closest one to her face. And she's looking at Zachary because he's wearing a meat suit. Now she must get her prey, and as her prey, she must chew her tail so she won't get mites. And as you see, she's on a table where I reach for that. And when I say a herbivore, she want to eat Zachary's meat legs. Come on. As Zachary gets closer on the table, you have to jaw off.
You're closer to it.
No, I'm not running. You gotta go, dude.
No.
I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay, no.
I gotta record it though. As she's trying to dig her way out the fence. Wait, what?
Hey!
She's trying to dig her way out of the fence. Stop it, girl.
Ow.
As she's trying to get us, and she's trying to scratch her way out the fence. Oh, come on, stop it.
Stop.
You don't like the house? As she's trying to dig away of the fence, which is, I don't have no idea.
Get out of there.
Stop eating that. Stop eating that. Stop eating that. Stop eating that. Stop. Move. Alright. As she took the troll. Oh yeah. As she desperately trying to make a troll for her nest for the winter.
Stop.
But stop it. Stop.
I'm gonna throw this away.
Pull a stick. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Oh, you want the stick? You want the stick? You want the stick? Go get the stick. Ah, crap. As the Tasmanian devil trying to get a troll desperately for a nest, my brother had to chase her. Don't eat the troll. Spit off the troll. I desperately tried to help her not to eat the troll. She's running around like the Tasmanian devil dog. And freely, this is traded by Nick and Zach. And goodbye.